Have you ever wondered if a past legal issue, even a minor one, could still affect significant aspects of your life today? It is a common question, especially when it comes to fundamental rights like possessing a firearm. When a misdemeanor is expunged, it generally means your conviction record is sealed or removed from public view. However, whether this fully restores your firearm rights is a nuanced issue, often depending on the specific state and federal laws that apply to your situation. This is not a simple yes or no answer. The complexity arises because firearm rights are governed by a combination of federal and state laws. Federally, the Gun Control Act of 1968 prohibits individuals convicted of a misdemeanor crime of domestic violence from possessing firearms, even if expunged, unless the expungement fully restores all civil rights. Many state expungement laws, while clearing your record for most purposes, might not explicitly restore firearm rights, especially if the underlying conviction was for domestic violence. Some states might still consider the original conviction for firearm purposes, even if it is expunged from other records. It is crucial to understand that federal law can sometimes override state expungement benefits. To determine your specific eligibility, you will need to research your state's particular expungement statutes and how they interact with federal firearm prohibitions. This often means carefully examining the exact wording of your expungement order and the state law under which it was granted. Look for language that explicitly states whether firearm rights are restored or if the conviction is treated as if it never occurred for all purposes. If your expungement does not explicitly address firearm rights, or if the original charge was a misdemeanor of domestic violence, seeking guidance from an attorney specializing in firearm law or criminal defense in your state is essential. One insider detail to remember is that an expungement can sometimes be challenged by federal authorities if they believe it does not meet federal standards for restoring civil rights. This is why the specific language of the expungement order and the underlying state law are so critical. Furthermore, some states may offer separate processes for restoring firearm rights, distinct from the expungement itself, such as a petition to the court or a clemency application. Understanding the interplay between your state's expungement laws and federal firearm regulations is key to knowing your standing. By carefully reviewing your expungement order and consulting with a knowledgeable legal professional, you can gain clarity on your firearm rights and ensure you are in compliance with all applicable laws.